Hello from Love Free the Vet, Just a Baby Bird by Merker Mayer. Little sister and I play in the yard. We hear beep, beep, beep. We find a baby bird, but where is the mama bear? We look, that helps. We do not find the mama bear. We tiptoe to the baby bird. We're so very careful. But the baby bird hops away. Dad pokes holes in the box. He carefully catches the baby bird with the box. Let's find the nest, says Dad. We look high in the trees. We look low in the bushes. We look everywhere. We do not find a nest, but Dad gets stuck in the tree. We make a little nest. If the mama bird is near, she'll feed her baby. We hide and wait. The baby bird peeps and peeps. No mama bird comes. The baby bird must be hungry. Mama searches online to find the right food. Mom makes dinner for the baby bird. Our bird loves it. We make a bed for the baby bird in an old fish tank. He is safe. Dad puts a towel over the tank. Now the baby bird will sleep. We say, "Good night, baby bird." Then after the baby bird grows bigger and bigger. Our baby bird is so big. Dad says, "Baby bird is too big." I built a birdhouse. Maybe our bird will stay. We open the tank outside. Our baby bird flies away. Where will he go? I asked. Some birds flew south for the winter, said Mom. Maybe our bird will be back. Summer ends, fall ends too. Winter comes, I always look for our birds. Spring is here. I hear tweet, tweet, tweet. We all run to see. Our bird sits on the birdhouse. He is much bigger now. Look, I said our bird has a family too. How cool is that? He was just a baby bird. Now he's grown up with a baby bird of his own. Finish the story. Thank you for listening. Bye.